Stick Man, wake up and check out the view here. We are in Cowpens, South Carolina. A little bitty historic town, according to the sign back there. Alright, we're going to stay on this 29. On down into Spartanburg. That's it, Spartanburg. Check it out, Stick Man. Left, right, zoom in, whatever you need to get. I know I've got the sun visors down and that hinders your view, but look at this cool looking little town of Cowpens. This is pretty neat. I like this. Love the look of it, for sure. All the American flags out. Got a caboose way over there. I don't think you can see it, but dang, this is pretty sweet now. Anytime you can get off the interstate in trucking, it's always a bonus. Usually, not always, usually, just a nice little bonus. Crawford Restaurant, that looks like that could be a pretty good place. Set up in a barn type looking establishment. Oh dude, check out this house on the left hand side, Stick Man, look at that. Wow. Stick Man, appreciate you checking this out for us. You can go on back to sleep now. We'll see you somewhere down the road. How about it?